Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to make someone an admin in your Telegram group, with the most recent steps that work in the latest version of the app. Whether you're running a small community, a study group, or a business channel, knowing how to manage roles and give admin access is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and head over to your group. Once inside the group chat, look up at the very top and tap the group name. This will take you to the group's main info page, where you can see members, settings, and other details about your group. Now scroll through the list of members until you find the person you want to make an admin. When you see their name, tap and hold it for a second. A small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, choose the option that says Promote to Admin. Before confirming, Telegram will show you the admin permission screen. Here, you can choose what specific tasks this new admin can do. For example, you might allow them to add members, delete messages, change group info, or restrict users. You can toggle these options based on what level of control you want them to have. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm to save the changes. Now that member officially has admin privileges in your group. They'll be able to help you manage the chat more easily, maintain order, and keep conversations smooth. You can give admin access to multiple people if needed, and you can always remove or adjust those permissions later. That's it. It's quick, simple, and a great way to share responsibilities in your Telegram community. If you ever want to change or remove someone's admin rights, just go back to the same settings, select their name, and modify their permissions anytime. Thanks for watching.